Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Jake from Produce. That's my name for my team. Um, I have two different fantasy teams, and we use the Sleeper app. So this is fantasy football. Sorry, this is fantasy football. We use the Sleeper app. It's a brand new app. It came out, I think last year or this year. Really cool stuff. Right now I'm going into a different league just to show y'all that other league first, because that's the one That's a 12-man league. 12-man league is a little bit different now. I don't know what's really going on. Let me try and just refresh the page real quick. Awesome, cool. So let's see my matchup. I got let's see. I got Cooper Cup, so we had to be the Cooper Cabras. Cooper Cabras, get it? Yeah, I thought it was kind of funny. We're working on 2-0 this week 2. Derek Carr. Yeah, I had Derek Carr in this league the whole time. 22 points, not too bad. DeAndre Swift could have done a little bit better. Is this Jamal Williams? He did really well for me last week. He got me 16 points last week as the number 2 back. So I thought he was going to do the same thing this week against a bad Washington team. Didn't. That's all right though. Still got me some points. I know I'm got the same team on both backs. Dang, sorry. And I got the same team, both running backs on the same team, but I mean, they're still giving me some decent points. A little RB2, it doesn't hurt. Cooper Cup, of course, 33, nothing new. Jerry Judy was out. Jerry Judy got hurt. And see, you can see it when I go here. If I go, no, not there, sorry. I always click on the wrong thing. Click on Jerry Judy. You can see Denver Broncos wide receiver Jerry Judy chest is considered day-to-day after leaving the game against the Houston Texans in the first quarter. Jerry Judy is dealing with a chest sternum issue, but it's clearly not a serious ailment that will keep him out of action. Unfortunately, that little injury only gave me 2 points, 3 targets, 1 reception. This is a PPR league, so points per reception league.